Love a friend, remembering that he can become an enemy. And hate an enemy, remembering that he can become a friend. Never discuss money with people who have much more or much less than you. Save your children's tears so they can shed them on your grave. Smile a lot. It costs nothing and is beyond price. Buy not what you need, but what is necessary. In a loved one, either correct the vices or endure them. If you fix it, your partner will be better. And if you endure it, you will be better yourself. Be brave, even if you're not. Pretend to be. No one can tell the difference. Always remember that the biggest waste you can make is a waste of time. What you yourself will do for your parents, expect the same from your children. Don't use time or words carelessly. Neither can be retrieved. Do not be contentious and quarrelsome, for such people never get out of a beggarly state. Lead a moderate and sober life if you wish to be independent. Do not bask in the presence of strangers with your wife, and do not quarrel. The first is a sign of stupidity. The second is a sign of rage. Remember that poverty does not come about by diminishing wealth, but by multiplying desires. Remember that a successful marriage depends on two things. 1, find the right person, and 2, be the right person. Do not laugh at old age. You are coming closer to it. If you intend to consult someone about your problems, look first at how this person manages his own problems. Don't spread yourself too thin. Learn to say no politely and quickly. Live as you can, if you cannot live as you want. Be careful with a joke. You may be misunderstood. No matter how much you want, but the more you have, the more people will envy you. Let the person speak freely if you want to hear the truth. Take care of your reputation. It's your most valuable asset. The patient should not hide his illness from the doctor, and the poor man cover his poverty in front of his friends. Judge your success by the degree that you're enjoying peace, health, and love. Be happy with what you have, but strive for the best. Do nothing for money. Let profit take care of profit. Do not slander your neighbor, so you won't hear something that yourself will not rejoice at. Discipline yourself to save money. It's essential to success. While getting ready to do something, never talk about it. If you fail, people will laugh. If there is still something to be done, then consider that nothing has been done yet. Don't forget that very often, the best medicine is to live on without it. You won't find the kind of love that your parents had for you anywhere. If something goes wrong, do the opposite. Never underestimate your power to change yourself, and never overestimate your power to change others. If you want a woman to keep loving herself, try to install in her the idea that you are in awe of her beauty. Do not answer a fool by his folly, lest you become like him. If you can't change the way you live, no one and nothing can help you. Don't reach out to a person, or you'll scare him away. Make it so that the one that you want to attract will reach out to you. Take it by persuasion, not by force. One should not pursue victory if the benefits it brings are to be gained by means of lowliness and crime. As we put life on hold, it passes. Be smart. Choose a woman who will be grateful for it. Be smart. Choose a woman who didn't have a man for long. She has found harmony in herself. You don't have to rush into marriage before you're 30, but you don't have to delay after you're 30 either. Don't choose as your friend the one who does not live in harmony with his wife. In life, hide your misfortunes, lest you make your enemies happy. Get up from the table slightly hungry, and you will always be healthy. Two kinks in youth education should be avoided: too much austerity and too much sweetness.